do it again like this, and if it, I don't know, because like the fight is lasting a long time.
I know. I saw the priest at like 26k HPS.
But that's also because we have a
Yeah.
fucking robot druid doing 9k.
Dude, I'm fucking pumping. Now I start left foot. Alright. I'm moving over. You guys stay left foot.
Okay.
I'll take over.
Gucci,
I'm moving
yeah,
over.
okay.
Yeah. Watch out, Tony boy. Taking over.
I'm getting out.
Next one's Kai and Tony.
It's on me.
Right
I'm
side, right
yep.
side,
It's on
right.
right side. I'm
Right.
getting out.
Yeah.
This is also why my damage is dog shit, because I'm chaining out so other melee can stay in.
I mean, you can go
I'm
back
staying in.
Yeah,
I'm moving out now.
Issa can start soaking on the
Yeah,
next one.
I can do next one.
Issa can start, and
Watch out, Tony.
I
Where
can
is
just
it?
take over.
I got it.
Come
Remove
to
Red
me.
Pally. Yep.
Me and Issa again.
Yep.
I'm waiting till you get to 15, 16.
Yep, that's fine.
Coming in.
Getting out now.
I don't have a debuff. I'm stacking on you, right? Good.
Yep. Kai, you're getting next one.
Yep.
I just start next.
Just, be careful, Red Pally. I'm on left foot.
I'm good after.
Yeah, you can soak next. See if we do it perfect and clean. You guys can link.
I'm
Yeah,
moving
you
out.
touched her.
Yeah.
Okay, swap over.
Big heals on me if you can. I don't have dispersion.
I can shout for you, or do you have?
No,
something?
just shout.
Okay, shouting.
Okay,
Red Pally has to do this
Yeah.
one.
Rhett, you soak this one's right side.
Me
And then Anger, you and the Rhett, yeah. So let Rhett pop his defensive, and then you step in.
Just start walking out and I'll walk in, okay?
You can walk out, Anger in.
Alright, I got next one. Kai, do you have debuff?
I do not.
Alright.
Do you want me to stack on you?
No, yeah, you can stack on me.
Okay.
Me and Issa next.
Yep, I'm just waiting for it to spawn. Where is it? Left foot, Kai, move.
Left.
Yeah, I'm moving.
You get to like 16, 17 again.
Coming in.
Yep, I'm getting out.
It's Kai and Tony next. I'm going around the back side. Coming to you. Yeah, okay, it's
Yeah,
it's
sorry.
Kai and the Rhett. It's Kai and the Rhett. I lied, it's Kai and the Rhett.
I'm
Rhett,
moving
just take
out
over whenever.
now.
Okay. I'll soak next one at start.
Yeah, you and Anger do next, or me and you, depending if mine falls.
Shard, where is it?
Right side
on
bar.
Kai.
Yep.
Oh fuck! Did that go on you?
That's
No,
fine.
no, you're fine. You're fine.
Okay.
Anger, you take over for him?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'll tell you when.
Take over after.
No, you're
Anger,
good.
just
Okay.
just
walk
chill.
out whenever you're ready.
Yeah. I'll let you know. It's whenever I get to like 17. All right, take over. And I'm just off to your side, so careful.
Am I taking the next one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It's on
Left.
left.
On
on
me.
left foot.
I'll soak with Tony, you soak with him actually. You have disperse?
Yeah.
Okay. Definitely disperse this one. Just take over now and disperse.
I'm moving out.
Combustion 15.
It's gonna fall off.
Rhett, you start next soak.
I can't soak.
Decimation.
Rhett's got it. Left side, can I get away?
Yeah. Walk through. Go, go, go.
Any bubble slack PS on the DK now. He's dead taunt. Be res him quick.
I walled. I'll be fine.
Fine. In
Just
3, 2, 1.
yeah, just
I
let me
scouted
take
for
it.
you, I
Yeah,
scouted
yeah,
for
yeah,
you.
yeah,
I took over, Rhett.
Just waiting to taunt when you die.
yeah, yeah, that's fine. I shouldn't die because I have wall for another 3 seconds.
Okay, pumping,
Done.
pumping, pumping.
He's dead.
Good job, guys.
Nice
Let's
job.
go.
Whoa, the hell, man.
What?
Good
That's not a
job.
that's not a fire kitty.